Why is there 2 empty stalls? I heard them talking about some wild mares. Maybe even a stallion. Huh, okay. Yeah, so if you want to, you can go with her, catch some horses. I probably won't. Alright, that's fine. Whatever you want. Is there gonna be new horses coming? Maybe. I don't care for them though. Like always, you never care for anything. You're just busy eating all the time. That's all you care about. It's delicious. That's all I care about. And you're right. Ugh. I wish I was wild. I could run out there, do whatever I want. Plus I have Mr. Snuggles. I love Mr. Snuggles. Ooh. Stable in the Rocky Mountains. They should be careful where they build their stuff. Whoa, what's going on? Ooh, he's terrified. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No. We have to do something. He's trying to get out. Jan, you're always helping me. What should we do? Oh no, he's spooked. He isn't good with people when he's spooked. Bear, there's a bear. I have to get out of here one way or another. Is everyone okay? Yeah, I don't know about Teddy though. He seems really scared. Whoa. You think we should call someone? No, we don't have to. I mean, we might though, because it's probably just a bird. But he never gets scared of birds like that. Stupid horses. I'm ready. Should I go? If you want. Okay, anyone coming with me? Okay. Is anyone sure? Whatever. Come on, Clover. We can go by ourselves. What's going on? I heard a loud bang. Teddy got really scared of something, but I don't know what. I'll go take a look outside. Huh. What do I see? I don't see anything. I'll go head back. Teddy. Teddy. Ted. Come on, Teddy. Look, there's nothing there, boy. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Okay, he's fine now. Teddy, what is going on with you? Bear. There's a bear up there. Near the Rocky Mountain stables. On the Rocky Mountains. Wait, you said bear? Like a black bear? That thing wasn't black. What color was it? Grizzly bear? I think so. Roman? Oh gosh. Hope you catch some horses. Look a little bright. How do you guys manage to eat this much? Like the grass isn't even that tall anymore. But we should really be getting ready for the wolves, just in case they come. You want me to get the guards or the fighters? Yeah, thanks, Angel. No problem. Wild horses. Don't see that a lot in the Rocky Mountains. Angel, could you look to see where the wolves are so I can get everybody ready and get all the undropped horses and then the foals out of danger? Sure. Thank you so much. You do not know how much you are helping me. Melody! Yes, Asteroid? Can you get the guards or fighters? Yeah. Thank you. Meadows. Sylvester. Good to see you. Thanks. Thanks. There's wolves. You want to get ready with me? Sure. Alright. So one of you is going to go first and trying to fight me, but don't actually try to hurt me. I mean, I guess you can, but not if you want me to get hurt before the fight. Okay. How about Meadows? Yes. Ready, go. Good job. I'm surprised to see a young stallion like you beating a way bigger. I'm surprised to see you beating a stallion your size. You're pretty young for beating one this big. Thanks. I guess I get it from my dad. My dad fought in the war not too long ago. Maybe it was long ago. Maybe like 30 years ago. I'm not even that old. But he fought in the war. He's always been wanting to. But, in the war with wolves and horses. But he lost an ear. You want to go more times or no? No. Okay, geez. Sylvester. Ready, go. Ha! I beat you in the blink of an eye. I can see why your herd kicked you out, Sylvester. Oh, I hate going through this part of the North Forest. It's so high. Like, how am I supposed to get out of here? Finally got out. Wow, that's a lot of land to look at. Better get started. Anything else? Down the hill. Now up the hill. Yum, 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 yummy, yummy. I'll check sunken ship. Didn't pass through here. What happened? Whew. I am muddy. What am I doing at sunken ship? Oh yeah. I'm gonna roll in these, see if I can get under. Ooh, it kind of worked. F2 asteroid. Angel, what's wrong? I ran here as fast as I could. What? What? Wolves? Am I right? Actually, yeah. Get ready. Alright, I will. I'll tell Melody. Actually, can you tell Melody to get all the phones and stuff to safety? Yeah. When they all got ready. I'm gonna clean off. Yeah. Do I fight too? If you want, I'll get in line. Alright. Be back. I'll be back. Love you. Love you too. Get ready. Attack when any of them charges.